Hi, I wanted to show you how we can use Logos Bible software for free. Of course, it's going to be a little bit limited compared to if you were to pay lots of money, but I wanted to show you how you can get this tool to help you work in your Greek studies. So if we just go to any web browser to logos.com, then you'll get to a web page like this. Of course, some of these things change day to day, week to week. But if you don't have an account, you would click in the upper right corner, sign in. And if you don't have an account, you're going to choose create an account on the second screen. And once you put in your name and address and all this stuff, you might want to deselect these to not get the emails. It'll ask you a few more questions about why you're going to use the software and that sort of thing. Of course, you get an email to confirm your account and all of that good stuff. Now, I've already done that, and I have an account set up over here, and I've called it Matt Test, so it doesn't say sign in over here. I'm already signed in. Now, once you're signed in, you can peruse the Bible software section. Of course, there's these different sections for all of their products, but under Bible software, under base packages, view all base packages. If you uh, look at the list here, you'll find that there is one called Basic, which is free. You can learn more, and then you can add this to your cart. Now I've already done that, so it says $0. Of course, it's $0 for anyone. It's free, and I already have temporary access to this product. So you're not actually buying it and owning it, but as far as I know, they'll just continue giving you temporary access to it until they don't. So it's basically available to you. And once you've done that, uh, there's a variety of books you can search for as well. Um, if you just go to anywhere in the books section, you can find uh, like browse all books, for instance, here. And if we sort by price instead of best selling, if we sort by uh, price lowest first, we may find some that are in fact as low as zero. And I've already obtained some of those. So some of these say you already own this product, and then some of these maybe aren't of interest to me. I didn't get, but you can find some free books in here. Um, sermons from Augustine of Hippo. I got that one. So once you've done that, you can actually go into a website called app.logos.com, and then you're able to access the books that you have. Now, most notably, there's one called the Lexham English Bible, which is a reasonably literal, formal equivalent translation. There's different ways you can set this up. You can turn on the interlinear view and even see the original languages behind that and some morphology information. And you can even download software and not just use the website like I'm showing you here. You can install the full Logos software. And I say full, there's additional pieces you can purchase to add to it. But this is the same software with some of the features just not included. And you can, again, go to the Lexham English Bible and turn on Interlinear and get some of this information. There's even ways to turn on visual filters so you can understand the various parts of speech and color things to begin to make sense of that. Similar to the ESV Study Bible, there is a Faithlife Study Bible which goes with this translation. Even if you're not using the interlinear good stuff here, you can turn all that off and just have it be a normal Bible. And if you set with this three dots here in the corner, if you click that and say link set A and do that same procedure for the Faithlife Study Bible, then you can, of course, they're both set for John 1:1, but if you scroll in your Bible to John 1:8, you can see, of course, there's an article there for verses 1 through 18, but if we scroll down, we can see in John 1:11, I can get this to scroll back up. We're synced up for 111. We scroll down to verse 12. It syncs up. So there's information throughout the whole Bible that corresponds that way. So, you know, that aside, this is an interesting tool to use to study the original languages. We're able to see the words behind the text. If we go back to John 1:1, we see in the beginning was the Word, en arche, ein ha logos. So there you go. I hope that's interesting and useful for you, and it's free.